the next, next up is Calc Manager. So some additional improvements to Calc Manager. There are now procedural calcs on ASO cubes via Calc Manager. You can do allocations as well as custom calculations. Additional templates. And one of the nice things is now you don't need to have an EPM deployed application to use Calc Manager, which was the case, I believe, in the prior release. So enhancements for Calc Manager, ultimately looking to make this sort of be the focal point of all the business rules that exist within across your EPM applications. Some enhancements to Hyperion profitability and cost management. I'll hold on a second and wait for the screen to catch up with me. So, I'll talk a little bit. Okay, there we go. So we have some expanded driver functionality as well as costing drivers and sequence-dependent drivers. There's some expanded assignment functions, and then a lot of performance improvements to HPCM right now with the new release. Next on the Oracle's list is Oracle Shared Services. This is where most of our security and all the backends, a lot of our security is located, as well as roles and users and groups. You can see there's a whole series of enhancements that have been added to the release here. Just wait a second to catch up for you. There we go. So you can see a lot of enhancements, improvements to shared services. Go the other way. Sorry. And then DRM is our next slide. The big change in DRM is now that it's a browser-based. It has a browser-based user interface. So also another big aspect is the ability to have multiple DRM applications on a server. So there's some nice improvements for DRM. Okay. For FDQM, some improved support for classic SBase for both ASO and BSO, as well as drill through. Some migration for detailed member maps, as well as some new source integrations for various releases of PeopleSoft and eBiz, as well as localization. Okay. Just waiting for the screen. The next slide is going to show EPM Architect. Excuse me. Some enhanced support, SBase support for ASO as well as BSO. Classic upgrade, some enhancements to the classic upgrade to EPMA, as well as smart mapping of planning cubes to ASO. You also have the copy application for HFM, as well as some enhanced validations for HPCM and public sector planning support. So, in summary, what does Release 11.1.2 help organizations do? Basically, it helps them plan for growth with a scalable enterprise system. It helps improve stakeholder as well as user communication across the enterprise, and also deliver EPM value faster and for a lower cost. This release definitely extends Oracle's market-leading EPM strategy from an integrated modular suite perspective, and as well as its analytical platform. This release is pretty new. It came out just over a month ago, so this is definitely the latest and greatest edition from Oracle. So that's what we have. That's all we have for today.